Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you single slope Mangalore double roof tile pergola which is located in ISROlayout, Bangalore. I am Pawan Kumar, the founder of Coucal Interiors, Bangalore. In this project, we are using Mangalore double roof tile pergola to provide a shady, cool area of your family and friends to enjoy in almost any weather. Pergola are a great way to add additional living space behind the walls, open parking area, terrace of your home. If you are planning for pergola for your home, there are several types of pergola like Mangalore tile pergola, glass pergola, puff sheet pergola, color sheet pergola. If you are planning for different types of pergola to construct warehouses, please contact us today. Hence, we are one-stop solution for end-to-end old home renovation, bathroom renovation and interior design. For more information, please subscribe our channel Coucal Interiors. Thank you.